Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. This does come to me from DPClubs, so I just want to say thank you to them for allowing me to review and show their products. I also want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I do appreciate each and every one of you. I hope everyone's having a great day. And yeah, let's get into this. So I am going to just pull one out, and we're just going to check this one out. Okay. Let's see. My cloth is a little wet in spots because I just did a review on some dog food. I spilled a little bit of water on here. So the first one that I got was this one, and I'm sure y'all have seen these on their website. And this is a little 30 by 40. I think these are super cute. And they put me in mind of the Brat dolls. There are a lot of these. And I'm really impressed at the rendering in the picture with it just being a 30 by 40. So, you can see the thumbnail, maybe. It'll focus. There's 18 colors. It does have, well, it's all letters. So that's great. So it also has the DMC numbers charted with the colors. So we have a schematic on the top left, the bottom right. Drill field is pretty clear, except for the glare of my dang light over there. And it's 11 o'clock in the afternoon, and my room is plenty bright without this light, but when I get over here and I start doing my videos, it's kind of dark. So, I don't know. Very sticky. It does come with your basic toolkit of a green boat, a plate of wax, and a single placer pink pen, which is all you need to do any diamond painting in the world. Alright, so we have got drills, and they are already bagged up. And as you can see, the colors, it's very pretty. It's got some very pretty colors in it. This is a round, by the way. It does have the kit number on here. Yep, right there. They match. So if you're like me and you store your drills separately from your canvas, you'll know that this kit or these drills go with this canvas. Although I go the little extra mile, and I'll write on here, like I'll put on here maybe big-eyed girl with earphones around her neck. You know, something on here so that I can, when I'm digging for drills, I can just read. I don't have to look for a little number. I can just read on here and be like, oh, okay, that's the bag of drills for this kit. So, all right. So for this canvas on DPClubs, this is called Cool Little Girl. And like I said, there are tons to choose from, but this one was $4.99, and I'm going to check and see what this looks like without this stupid light. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. I mean, I'm sure you can see it, but I'm just over here. I have my back to the windows because the way I have my craft room organized, I'm in a bad spot for doing videos, and I thought I'd be in a good spot and it'd just be over here out of the way. All right, so we'll go with another one, see how this looks, and then We might have to turn that light back on. Alright, so these are new. This is something new that they have been, they have gotten in their shop. And I love them. I think they're so cute. They are special shape partials. And they are called the Noble, what is it called? Noble Ladies. Noble Ladies. Alright, so same toolkit. So you can use these basic toolkits for a round drill, square drill, special shape, ABs, doesn't matter. You can use these toolkits for anything. Alright, we'll look at these in just a second. So this is the one that I picked out. Hopefully y'all can see without me turning that stupid glaring light on. I'll just move over a little bit. Let me move some stuff out of my way. Alright. Maybe the light from the window behind me will hit it. Alright, so this is a little 30 by 30. There's the thumbnail. She has got, let me see, what's it say? 6 colors, or 6 shapes. And as you can see, you don't do her face. Her face is not sticky. This background is not sticky. We're only doing like the corners around the picture frame, her hair, the flowers in her hair, and the dress right there on her shoulder. Very clear drill field. She's got a beautiful face. Alright, so let's see if we can see these in just this natural light. Y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Is it better without the light or with the light? I hate the light. But I don't know what else. I don't know. Ever since I've had my YouTube channel, I've had issues with the lighting. Alright, here's gold. And then we have like a champagne. We have silver. We've just got regular black drills. And then we have these gold. Are these marquees? Is this what y'all call marquees? And then we have some little gold round half pearls. So. Alright. Very pretty. It does have the canvas number there on the drills. Long as it does right there on the top of the canvas. So, like I said, these are new. There's a slew of these to choose from also, which I think they have sort of kind of become one of my favorite. And you know what that means. I'm going to try to get as many of them as I can. Plus, they are a partial, so they're going to be quick to do. So, this one, like I said, is called Noble Lady. It's $4.99 on DPClubs. Now, they're all going to be called Noble Lady. So, you have to look when you go to click on it. You make sure you're getting the right one. So, you're going to go by the SKU number, which is a number at the bottom of the picture that you're wanting. So, the next one that I got is another Noble Lady. But this one, she also comes with a regular toolkit. Let me move that out of the way. There's her drills. Let me roll this one back so we can get a better, or a flatter look on it. Alright, so this is the one that I got. So again, we don't do the face or the background. It's only the flowers and her hair. We're going to do this choker and the picture frame. And she is also a 30 by 30, if I did not just say that. There's the thumbnail. There are six colors, and both of them have got the gem code on there. So, very sticky. And then we're going to look at her drills. And again, she was also $4.99. Oh, all right. We've got a loose one here. Just one. It's a good thing it's not busted or broke. All right, so we have got some large green. Then we have a different, nope, they're the same. So you get 2 bags of those. There's some gold, some very light blue, and then a bag of silver, and then a bag of gold. This one also has the kit number on the bags that correspond with the canvas. Now, that's not what you're going to go by when you go to order these. That's just the canvas number. You're looking for the SKU number. So, just make sure you check the numbers. Alright, so the last one that I got is called Animal. And this one was, well, this is one of those that I don't really know why I got it. I do too. I've seen a bunch of them. There is a bunch of these. I mean, a bunch of these to choose from. I seen them, and I thought they were cute, but I thought this was the cutest one in the bunch. But then well, here's the regular toolkit. But once I got it in my cart, I thought it was cute, and then after I sent my picks, I was like, why did I pick that one? So this is not something that I would normally get, even though, I mean, it sort of is, but sort of isn't. I mean, I like it, and I'm going to do it. But there's the thumbnail. And like I said, there are a ton of these to choose from. So again, make sure you check your SKU number when you go to put this in your cart. There's the canvas number, and this is a 30 by 30. It has got 19 colors. We are going from 1 to 9 or 1 to 8, and then the letters, which are in order. It does have the DMC listed, and we've got a schematic on the top left, bottom right, and they are in the little, well, we have a variety of different bags of drills in here, but you can see the colors. Well, let's see. Y'all know I don't normally go through these, but I just want to see what the bags look like. Of course, we all have these. Nobody likes these little bags, but I mean, I don't care. The only thing I don't like about these bags are sometimes you get them and the numbers are so faded you can barely see them. Or they'll have the number printed right in the middle of where you're supposed to rip them. And then you can't tell what it is. It's like they're offline when they go to rip or print them. See how it just keeps getting further down? So, that's what I don't like about them. Sometimes they're hard to read. Like those. You can barely read the number because of the color. Like these. You can't see that. I mean, you're really going to have to put your nose on the plastic in order to see what color this is. And again, like I said, you see how these, the threes are almost gone? So that's the only thing I hate about these things, is I just don't like the way they're printed. So, but the colors are good. They're pretty. It's going to be a lot more vibrant when I actually put these drills on it than what it looks like right now. Although, I will admit, I thought it would be a little bit more colorful. But it's still going to be a cute diamond painting once it's finished. Sometimes we just have to trust the process. So, get these back in there. So what I do with these is when I go to cut these, I will take and do them like this. See how all the drills go down to the bottom? I'll snip the top and then I'll just pour them off into my container. That's how I do it. And it's very easy. I know a lot of people just absolutely despise these bags of drills, but it is what it is. So, this one, like I said, this one was also $4.99, and there are 40 different images of this to choose from. Not him, but just different animals. There was cats, dogs, pigs, cows, just all kinds of different animals to choose from that are in different scenes. Like I said, I wrote it down and there was 40 different styles for this. So, alright, y'all. This is what I got from DPClubs. I think they are gorgeous. Let me know in the comments if y'all... Well, first off, which one's your favorite? And two, has anybody else done any of these new ones of the Noble Ladies? And let me know if it's better with or without the light. This is without, and this is with. I mean, I can set these up to where, you know, the glare is not hitting it. This is what this one looks like in the light, just in case it was a little dark while ago. So yeah, this is what I got from DPClubs. I will leave a link to these in my description box for y'all to check out, and any kind of discount code if I have one. I don't even remember. So, alright, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you later. Bye, y'all.